So the question says, find the value of y. This is a Waec question, and I love smart questions when I see one. This is a very smart question. They only gave us 55-degree angle, and they asked us to find y. Just imagine, without any other angle. And remember, let's say here is our A, and here is B. Because they know that if we get our B, we can easily get our y through angle on a straight line, which is very simple. Now they are expecting you to be smart enough to think out of the box how you're going to get your A and B. And they also gave us this line here. See this line here. This means that this is a base angle of maybe an isosceles triangle. And here and here. So anything you get here as A is same thing as B. If you get A equal to 10 here, that means your B is also equal to 10. So that's how smart the examiner is. So let's say, and here, look at here very well. They gave us this line, which means that here and here, if you think very well, is a corresponding angle. Whatever you have here, if you decide to mark it like this, whatever you have here, A, and here, maybe A, B, the value of here and the value of there will be the same, which is corresponding, is a corresponding angle. And if you watch very well, our 75-degree correspond with angle A. Yes. So if you see a question like this in an exam hall, you don't need to abandon it. It's actually very simple. All you need to do is just think out of the box. Say if they decide to give you only 75 degree and ask you to find y, that means something is here, something is here. So which other angle? You just have to think of any other law that you apply that can give you values here for you to solve this one. Now we can say our A is equal to 75 degree, which is corresponding angles because if you cut off here and bring down this young man here, is the same, is a corresponding angle, which means our A is also 75 degree. So now we have our A, and remember we already have this, which is a base angle of an isosceles triangle. And if whatever we have as Mr. A is same thing we have as Mr. B, because a base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So we can now say that our B is equal to also 75 degree. Reason being that is a base angle of isosceles triangle. Now, since we've gotten our A and we've gotten our B, have you seen that getting our Y now is very simple? So before we continue, if this is the first time you're seeing this video, you're watching my videos, please, whether on YouTube or Facebook, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow, like, recommend our page on Facebook, very important. If you have any correction, you have any observation, please drop them on the comment section, because that will help us to improve better. Thank you. So let's continue. Now we have our A and we also have our B. How do we get our Y? It's very simple. Angle on a straight line. So we can just say our B plus Y is equal to, angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree, right? Yes. is equal to 180 degree. So we can say our b is what? 75 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So here we can say is equal to, we'll make y the subject of the formula. To say our y is equal to 180 if 75 crosses the equation sign to meet 180, the sign will change from plus to minus. It will become minus 75, which is equal to what? 180 minus 75 will give us 105 degree. And that's our final answer. That's how simple most of these questions are. Please do well to subscribe and follow, recommend our page on Facebook. Thank you.